Hello and welcome back. With version 3.2, we finally have the Vector Erase Brush tool. And in this video, I will show you how to use it. First, click on this tool group here and select the Vector Erase Brush tool. Make sure you have selected your object. And then simply erase whatever you want. You can also choose a square shape instead of a circle. You can adjust the size here. You also have the stabilizer and all the options here. Hold down Shift to create straight lines. You can make adjustment with the node tool. And that's it. See you in the next video.